All right, so as you enter the room, this is your view. To the right, you have a storage closet. So you have just your ironing board and your iron steamer, which I think, yeah, I believe this is a iron actually. Iron here, a lot of room, extra storage room. On your left, you have your full-length mirror to check your outfit of the day. All right, to your right, you have the kitchen area. Your fridge is here. Opens up. You have that little freezer area at the top. Go. You have your coffee maker, coffees and teas, creamers, sugar, all that. Microwave, toaster. Up here you have paper towel, extra storage space, and up here you have your utensils. They are the paper and plastic utensils. You have your ice bucket and some plastic cups. Paper towel roll, cutest Lion King, Simba, zebra, little artwork there is adorable. You have your dishwashing things, sponge, washcloth, soap, sink. Underneath the sink, you just have your garbage and recycling and light switch. You have an extra light switch above the sink here. So that's pretty much it for the kitchen area. On your left from the kitchen, here's your view of the bathroom area. So this is the sink area. Wonderful 2 sinks, so 2 people can get ready at the same time. Large enough counter space, in my opinion. You have your washcloths, lamps over here. This light over here turns on and off. This one, you only have, oh no, you have 2. You have plugs over here and over there, which is nice. Your makeup mirror, extra light, towel rack here for hand towels and your garbage. Then to your left, you have another full-length mirror on the outside of the door. In your toilet area, towels hanging up, extra toilet paper, and shower curtain. Looks like this. Here's the shower head and your H2O products there. Right, so back in this area, here's your view of the living room and sleeping situation. All right, yeah, starting over here, you have storage closet, wardrobe type thing. So you have your hangers and extra pillows and blankets, luggage rack, safes up there, blow dryers right there. Close here, this beautiful wood structure here. It's just all the small details of this room just make it such a beautiful place to stay. We have lots of storage drawers in this room. So there's 4 of these size here, pretty standard size. And then you have ones that are not drawers, but cabinets down here that are pretty big. You can put things, pretty large items in those. TV, you have 2 sets of plugs and USB outlets above or below the TV. Over here, love the details on the mirror. You have, in this mirror, you have another switch here that turns on the lights there. So if someone else was doing makeup or hair out here, you have an extra set of lights or just extra lights in general. Hey Disney, right there. 2 chairs and a table. Here is your queen size bed here above. Wonderful African artwork. We got our Disney Mickey towels made by the wonderful cast members and some chocolates from the ganachery. that we have not tried yet but look delicious because we are at club level, and a welcome note. We have your bedside table that has 2 plugs here, outlets, and 2 USB plugs, your phone, and a drawer, and some space down here to put things. You also have another light here that you can turn on and off with this switch here, and more plugs, outlets, and 2 more lights that can work with those. All right, and then this couch is pretty comfortable. It is a pull-out couch, so this room actually sleeps 4, 2 on the queen size bed and 2 on the pull-out couch, and your extra pillows and blankets, like I mentioned before, are right behind you. You have your table here that's actually 2 tables separated. You could use it as 1, but it is 2. And yeah, that is about it for the room itself. Now I will take you to our view. We have partial Savannah or Savannah view, full Savannah. So here is our view. I do know the animals like to hang out by that watering hole over there, so we'll see if we see any later, but I have not seen any yet. Out on the balcony you have 2 chairs and a table with zebras on them. All right, and then one last 360 of the room. I will take you on, here you go. So coming in,